How many places can you come to work in the morning, and when you do your job and you do it really well, you can literally impact tens of thousands of people with one click of a button?
I was a subscriber first before I came to Travelzoo, so I already was familiar with the product and really loved the product. The people are rock stars and are so kind and helpful, and they're interesting and interested and fun to work with.
We all share super common bonds, right? We all share a love of travel. You know, most of us are big foodie nerds. Even if you're not in an office with somebody or talking to them on the phone, or you don't even know who that person is in the Barcelona office, you know that they're looking at that same deal saying, that is cool. So that is kind of the tie that binds, right? We're all in the same mindset of providing these awesome experiences to our people, and we're all awed when we're able to put those together for people.
I have a gorgeous view of Central Park. I see the rink, I see the running paths, it's incredible. And what's amazing is that people come from across the world to have a moment where they can take that in, and we get to look at it every day. The San Francisco office stares at Alcatraz and the Golden Gate Bridge. The things that we're staring at are inspirational, and it's exactly what we want our members to do and take advantage of when they get our deals.
Just to feel like I'm kind of like the Wizard of Oz. I'm the woman behind the curtain making the magic happen. It's really, really cool.
In journalism, when they talk about you're kind of only as good as your last story, I think that's sort of the way I feel about these deals, is I'm only as good as my last deal.
Exploration, trying something new. I think that applies to people who work at Travelzoo just as much as it does to the subscribers.
It's kind of like being a poet on one side, so you gotta really inspire people, you gotta make people, jump off the couch and go book that trip that they never thought that was possible. But on the other hand, you have to be a business person. It's a very kind of small space where those two things can exist. And when we do it, it's like nirvana.
It really inspires me to visit all these new places all over the world and to have the best experience for the best price.
I'm not just working for a company, I'm part of something much greater than myself, where they want us to feel like we make a difference.
I have these grand ideas about, I want to change the world, and you travel to a foreign country and you meet people that you thought were so different from you, and you realize that they're just like me. I feel like that is changing the world.
We're not saving lives, we're not curing things, but we're helping people just have a great year. And that's pretty awesome.